Hello, and welcome to Smart English Listening Channel. I am your teacher, Emma. It's great to see you here, learning English. Don't worry, we've all been here for you. Today, we're going to talk about something very small but very powerful. Three little words. We're talking about an, the. Yes, articles. You probably hear them all the time, but sometimes they feel like tiny grammar ninjas, jumping into your sentence and making everything weird. You'll learn how to use and the. And we will do it with something very special, listening. So please, open your ears, ignore your phone notifications for just a few minutes. This video is not about just reading. It's about listening. Because when you hear the rhythm and the sound of English, grammar starts to make more sense. Let's begin. Imagine you are in a room. The room is simple. There is a chair, a table, and an apple on the table. Did you hear that? Let's do it again. A chair, a table, an apple. We use a before words that start with a consonant sound. A chair, a table, a dog, a banana, a problem. Easy, right? Now, we use an before words that start with a vowel sound. An apple, an egg, an orange, an idea, an umbrella. Why? Because it sounds better. Try to say a apple. Ooh. It feels like her tongue fell asleep. So we say an apple. Your mouth is happy, your sentence is happy, and your English teacher is very happy. Now, let's make things a little more interesting. You walk into a kitchen and say, I want a sandwich. You don't care what kind, just a sandwich. But then you take one bite and you say, the sandwich is delicious. Now, it's not just any sandwich, it's the sandwich, the one in your hand, the specific perfect sandwich. So what happened here? First, you said, a sandwich, any sandwich. Then you said, the sandwich, because now we know which one you are talking about. First time, a or an. Second time, the. You see? Very simple. Now, let's talk about a tricky detail. Sometimes words start with a vowel letter, but they have a consonant sound. For example, a unicorn. Why? Because unicorn starts with the sound U, like you. So even though it starts with the letter U, it sounds like a consonant. So we say a unicorn, a university. But when the sound is a vowel sound, like an umbrella, an uncle, an unusual idea, we use an. So don't look only at the first letter. Listen to the sound. This is why listening is so important. Sound first, letter second. Let's say some examples out loud. Repeat after me. A car, a house, a robot, an apple, an elephant, an hour. Yes, hour starts with H, but we don't say the H, so it sounds like hour. That's why we say an hour. Now, let's review everything like a normal, boring grammar teacher. We use a before consonant sounds. A book, a cup, a cat. We use an before vowel sounds, an egg, an apple, an idea. And we use the when we are talking about something specific, something we both know. I have a cat. The cat is sleeping. That's it. 3 little words. So now, what should you do after this video? Look around your room. Find objects. Say things like, I see a book. There is an old phone on the table. Talk to yourself. People will think you're crazy, but your English will be amazing. Also, try to write 3 sentences using a, an, and the. And of course, watch this video again tomorrow because repetition is the key to success, and because I said so. Let's quickly remember. We learned what a, an, and the mean. We practiced when to use them. We repeated key phrases, and hopefully now you understand these tiny words a little better. Now you know how to use them. Hey, you're doing amazing. You listened, you repeated, you're stronger than you think. Keep going. Don't stop now. The grammar will get easier, your listening will get sharper, and your confidence will grow. Trust the process. Now, write a sentence in the comments below using all 3, a, and the. Like this. I saw a ghost eating an avocado in the kitchen. Use a, an, and the correctly, and let me see which one of you is going to write the funniest. Can you beat that? Make it weird. Make it wild. I'll be there to check your work. And trust me, I'm a very harsh teacher. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's hard, but you're showing up. You're putting in the work. And that is what a winner does. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Invite your friends, or else I'll personally send a parrot to your house that only screams grammar rules. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until next time, bye-bye, my legend friend.